In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive money on the Western Union app. So what we want to do is first just load up the application itself like this, and we want to sign in with our account. So once we have been logged in, I will explain how this works. So here, what we want to do is click on menu in the top right corner, just like that, and you will see an option called Pick Up Cash. Once we select Pick Up Cash, we'll just remove this transaction. So pick up cash much faster, no need to fill out forms anymore. So how this works, you go to a participating Western Union agent location, bring your photo ID and MTCN, and you will receive the cash faster. So here, if I click on continue, it's going to ask for MTCN, which is basically a transaction code. So you can ask the person who has sent you a money transfer about the transaction code itself, and if you put the code here, then you can see where the transaction is currently at. You can receive your money from Western Union at any of the locations. So if I click on menu here and I see find locations, then this is going to show you all of the different locations where you can receive your money through Western Union. And if they have successfully sent you a bank transfer, then you just look at the locations and you can go and receive your money there. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.